Hey there, fashion friends. Today's topic, what I wore for 3 weeks of travel.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
So when it came time to pack for our 3-week trip to England over the holidays, I basically decided before we even started packing, I am going to fit all 3 of us, myself, my husband, and my 3-year-old, in my large mono suitcase and 1 carry-on suitcase. That is it. Done. Once you establish your parameters, kind of easy after that, because then you just basically think about what is it that I can fit into this, and if I can't fit it into this, it's not coming. Yes, I made it happen. Ultimately, what I packed for myself was 7 tops, 4 bottoms, 2 sweaters / sweatshirts, 2 cardigans, 1 coat, and 2 pairs of shoes. So I really wanted to be mindful of every single piece that I was picking. The things to think about is, what are my occasions when I get there? Do I have somewhere to wash my clothes? And what's the weather gonna be? What can I borrow when I get there? Is there anybody that I can borrow stuff from when I get there for things that I may need? Knowing these kind of things, it really helps you go into figuring out what you need to pack. So I did a few key things while we were there. A lot of it was family time, which is great. Usually with family time, it entails just, some casual, comfortable clothes is really what's required for family time. We did go to London and stay with our friends for 2 nights. These were my 2 favorite outfits of the trip. It was just a really comfortable, easy look, but very, at the same time, I feel like elevated and chic. London-esque. Gotta be fierce when you go to London, so.
I'ma wake up, do damage. Join number 7, see boredom. Working all night, need more though. I'ma wake up, do damage. Join number 7, see boredom. Working all night, need more though. You feel trippy, I feel it out. Hop in my car and get it out. Secure the back, y'all get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood, all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My love is take no calls.
Okay, and the next event left our little Gus with the grandparents and headed off to Cheltenham, which is a part of the Cotswolds. It's like my favorite spot because it is the quintessential England. It just feels like you've been transported back to a Jane Austen novel. It's just a magical place.
This is how we do this. In one way, I'm yours. In one way, we're strangers. But I know for sure we got something in common that I know you won't. But we're so different. I speak Swedish, you don't. As I put it down and write a letter, but Frankie said it better. I almost feel it when you smile. I'll take my time. I want you, but I'm shy.
Using the same formula throughout the whole trip, and everything just really mixed and matched really well. So
Go shade, this a no, no, no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 6-4, wake up, do damage. Join number 7, see boredom. Working all night, need more though. I'ma wake up, do damage. Join number 7, see boredom. Working all night, need more though. You feel trippy, I feel it out. Hop in my car and get it out. Secure the back, y'all get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on.
All right, so there we have it, my friends. What I wore for 3 weeks of travel in England. Also, what I would like to mention is that I did use my Monos suitcase, and to me, this thing made all the difference because of the efficiency of the packing I was able to do. It just, obviously, it made such a difference. And then the actual lightness of the suitcase didn't take away from those precious pounds that are needed when that suitcase is being put on that scale at the airport. You know, that very scary moment. I hope you liked today's episode. If so, give me that thumbs up, comment below, share with friends, and subscribe for future weekly episodes. All right, have a fantastic rest of your day, and we will definitely be chatting next week. Bye.